What's good, y'all? I just thought it'd be a good time to make a video. Right now, this is my desk. It's just filled with all sorts of documents and stuff. It's not really a desk, it's a table. But basically, I have not uploaded any videos in a long time because I've been pretty much very busy with trying to get our dealership up off the ground, and it's a very complex process. Definitely worth it, 100%. The amount of money you make compared to just flipping is miles different. Like it's a whole new ball game. But yeah, it's definitely a process to get this all going. And so basically, I just wanted to make this video, kind of letting y'all know that the videos have slowed down, or I barely make any videos, but I've made some videos here and there. But they're gonna pick up very soon, and we're gonna bring you guys behind the scenes. We're not gonna show you personal information, but we're gonna bring you behind the scenes, take you guys into the auctions. We're gonna get another GoPro. We're gonna show you guys reconditioning of the vehicles, the sales part a little bit, leaving out personal information, kind of what we look for when we're in the auctions, how we manage our sales, how we got into the dealership. We're gonna make tons of content, and I think I'll probably make a video or a new channel for the dealership specifically. Anything involving like the actual day-to-day stuff for the dealership. I'm gonna make a channel for it. Damn, this shit is dark as hell. I should have gotten a fucking a light. You know, I'm gonna make this video at the dealership. You'll see the difference. Yeah, it's so fucking dark. Yeah, but I'm gonna make a separate channel for the dealership. Anything that has to do with dealership content, it's gonna be on that channel. And then just kind of personal things about money, growth, business moves. Maybe some stuff from the dealership that could fit on my actual channel, I'm gonna put on my channel. But yeah, it's just an update. This is the mess. More stuff back there. It's just a cabinet full of titles and paperwork and more paperwork, and making phone calls, and I had some I was drinking here, and I got energy, so it's gonna get crazy, y'all. It's gonna get very crazy, so stick around.